Hi, I'm Abby and I'm 8 years old and this is...
Hi, I'm Megan. I'm a dietitian. And what are we making today, Abby?
Today we are making a banana smoothie.
Okay. What do we have to do first?
We need to wash our hands.
Okay, take it away. Wet your hands with water and then put some soap on your hands. Rub your palms together. Clean the backs of your hands and in between your fingers. Wash your thumbs, your fingernails and your wrists, and rinse the soap off with water. This should all take about 20 seconds or long enough to sing happy birthday twice. Dry your hands with paper towel. Okay, so what ingredients do we need for the banana smoothie?
We need a banana, we need some milk and some yogurt, any kind.
Okay, and what's the first step?
First, you need to get the banana and you can peel it. You might need an adult to help you if you can't peel it.
Okay, that's a good tip. If it's a tricky skin to get off, you can ask someone for help.
Yeah. Okay, now I'm going to get the banana and put it into bits, and then I'm going to chuck it in here.
So break it into a few pieces and put it straight in the blender.
It can either be 4 or 5.
And what's next?
Now we need to get the milk and make sure it's 1 cup, and
1
then
cup of milk, great.
pour it all in.
And then?
You get the yogurt and you get the spoon. You put all the yogurt in there.
Now today we're just adding banana, milk and yogurt, but you could add in any other fruits that you like, strawberries, frozen berries, and if it's a hot day you can add some ice to cool it down.
Now you need this.
Okay.
And then you put it on. You might need an adult to help because you need to hold it down and make sure it doesn't splash everywhere.
That's right. So whenever you're using anything sharp or electric in the kitchen, ask an adult for supervision.
Okay.
So you've got the lid on nice and tight, and how long do we blend this for?
Until it's nice and smooth and creamy.
Okay, great.
Okay, this is the loud bit. Okay, so now you have to pour it into the cup. Take the lid off first. Mine looks nice and bubbly.
It does look nice and bubbly.
And creamy.
So this is a really great snack any time of day. It's great after school, before or after sports. It has 1 whole serve of dairy and a serve of fruit. So it's great to fill you up, and it's got a good amount of calcium in there too. How does it taste?
It tastes perfect.
Perfect. So there you go, a nice nutritious snack that tastes delicious.